Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Defender error code 0x80240438, the definition updates could not be installed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update Windows. And how would you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script and search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what this does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will re-register the DLLs. It will delete the software distribution in cat22 folder. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.